to market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. Are you ready to draw a market with me today? You've already got your supplies, crayons, pencil, journal. Our instructions tell us to watch this teacher video, draw, color, and label a what? Say it with me, please. Market. Let's go set up our journals together. Everybody needs a new clean page. Don't waste those trees. Find the first open page that you have, and let's work there. I'm using the back side. I hope you use your back sides too. We always begin with the dates. On top of our paper, give me a 5 for May. No more 4, not April. 5, it's May. 3 for today. 2021 for the year. Now we're going to save this white space for a detailed, beautiful picture of a market. But let's go write our label together. It's here on your screen in bright yellow so you can see it. Repeat it with me, please. Market. And let's go write that word on our first line. Everybody ready? Repeat it and write it. Market. Market. Check your word. Do we have M-A-R-K-E-T? Bravo! Bravo! Now that we have our label, we're ready to draw and color. Here's a little tiny picture down here of a cartoon market that you can look at. There's the different vendors set up in their booths. There's different colors. We've got a red booth, then a green booth, and then a yellow booth. Those are different people selling. Lots of shoppers going by with their bags, and the vendors are selling different things. What were some of those things you remember from the market? Eggs, milk, fruits, what else? Vegetables. But more than just food, maybe earrings, clothes, toys, so much stuff. I want to see details in your market. Now there is also another photo here on the vocabulary slide if you like to look at the real life picture of a market. Again, there's different booths. Here they have umbrellas set up so they're comfortable in the shade. The shoppers have their bags looking around at what they want to purchase. I see lots of leafy greens, yummy things to eat and try. Time for you to get started on your market details. You can always come back to your slides and look at these pictures, but I want to see on your papers some booths. Maybe there's a table. Someone standing behind the booth. This is going to be my farmer. And he's selling apples. He's very friendly. He's saying, hey, come try my juicy, yummy apples. I grew them on my farm. And then here's a girl, and she loves apples. She wants to make an apple pie. Oh, hey, that's me. She's got her bag for shopping, and she's going to pay with her dollar bills. It's not free, those apples. You got to pay. Now, I clearly need a lot more details, a lot more color, and I'm going to take my time. But I'm going to draw more than just one person selling. Here comes another booth. I like the umbrella idea. Here's an umbrella and another lady. And she's going to sell, I'm going to think on that a little bit more and add some more details. You need to start your picture and your details. We have the word market. Now it's time to show me a market. Lots of people selling, lots of people buying goods and services, and lots of money and shopping bags going around. Take your time, show the details, use the color, and be proud of your work. When your journal has lots and lots of details, foods, goods, services, money, bags, people, then you're ready to take a picture, turn it in to Google Classroom. I'll see you tomorrow for some more market fun. Adios!